In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get special cards in Cursed Arena. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to get the special cards character, you will have to complete a certain objective. As you can see, he is on the list of characters, but when you try to switch to special cards, you usually get this message. You don't have this moveset. So basically, for you to unlock special curse, you will have to kill a boss and you will have a chance of getting the moveset. So as you can see, the actual boss that you need to kill is the same as the character, special curse. So this boss has a chance of randomly spawning on any private or public servers roughly every 25 minutes or a bit earlier if you are in a public server with a lot of people, and if you are in the top 3 damage dealers when this boss is killed, you will have a 25% chance of getting this special curse moveset. So to answer the question in the title of this video, all that you have to do is participate in killing the special curse boss, and if you are in the top 3 damage dealers, you will have a chance of getting the moveset. So you can just camp in a private or public server until it spawns, and then you will do a lot of damage to have a chance of getting it, or you can just spawn the boss by going over here and choosing the option to buy a boss ticket. Once he is spawned and you kill him, you will have a chance of getting the moveset. So choose whichever option you prefer. If you are willing to spend Robux, you can buy the tickets to speed this up, or you can just chill in a server until it spawns and you kill it to have a chance of getting the moveset. Afterwards, you will be able to switch into special cards by clicking the option here, and then you will have access to the moveset. Now sadly, I won't be able to showcase it on screen. My character is a newbie and I don't have many movesets, but regardless, this is all you have to do. As long as you kill the boss and you are in the top 3 damage dealers, which is very important, you will not be able to get it if you are not within the top 3 damage dealers. You will have a chance of getting it. I hope I was able to help you on how to get special cards in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.